let's be quiet because I want to try and find the Sasquatch here. Oh, hi everybody. Welcome back to another video. Today we are in one of the most realest rainforests to exist. We're trying to find big trees in this place. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It's free and it only costs us a matter of time. So now let's get on with the video. I feel like that tree is the size of the Tower of Liberty. Like
Bounce?
Yeah.
Keep going.
Chloe wants to see big trees super bad. I'm sorry, but Chloe wants to see a big tree way too bad. Are you making a video again? Safe for us.
That one's probably light enough. I'm sure I'd break it.
And I'm... No. It's a little hard.
Hello.
Wait for the camera code.
I'm ready for... Look at that!
Under the tree.
That's the big tree. That's the way to big tree. That arrow.
Yep. Oh, look how big that tree is.
Oh my God.
Yeah. As big as all of us together.
We did.
Big tree. Tree is the biggest tree.
That's right.
He's big tree. Big tree. That's fun!
Perhaps Ivy has more to say about it.
Big tree's the biggest tree. And also, it's very, very big. And it's hard to climb. I don't even think you can climb over the fence blocking it.
Okay.
There's enthusiasm.
Good job, buddy. What's his name?
I'm gonna name him Catalina. Catalina.